In this video, we'll show you type 2 diabetes and olive oil and skincare. One type of fat that merits a place in the diet for reversing type 2 diabetes is monounsaturated fat. One of the best properties of monounsaturated fats is their stability. Unlike polyunsaturated fats, they can withstand heat without breaking down into harmful substances, therefore they are the best choice for cooking. The best monounsaturated fat is virgin olive oil. According to a study published last year in the Journal of Agricultural Food Chemistry, including this particular oil in your diet might be helpful for controlling blood pressure, cholesterol, and fatty acids in type 2 diabetics. Researchers at the Institute of Cooking Fat in Seville, Spain studied 17 type 2 diabetic elderly volunteers and 23 non-diabetic elderly volunteers receiving a diet rich in virgin olive oil for 4 weeks. For both groups of volunteers, the systolic top number, blood pressure was reduced. Low-density lipoprotein was protected from oxidation. Systolic blood pressure, lower number, is the force of the blood against the walls of the arteries with every heartbeat. When the systolic blood pressure is reduced, your heart does not have to pump as hard as it did when the pressure was higher. Olive oil is obtained from ground olives grown in Mediterranean countries, Australia, and California in the United States, extracted by either physical or mechanical means. Virgin olive oil is extracted by physical means. If you are used to frying foods in fats such as butter or lard, substituting oil for the other fat might be a good way to begin including healthy oil in your diet. Making salad dressings can be a simple matter of mixing a little virgin olive oil with balsamic vinegar. Broccoli baked in a microwave becomes really tasty when a little healthy oil is dribbled over it. For those who like to cook, there are many recipes for making more elaborate dishes with virgin olive oil. Making an asparagus salad with asparagus, lemon juice, olives, mint, bell pepper, onions and olive oil. A little crumbled goat cheese can be added if you wish. Or try the chilled avocado soup with limes, avocados, garlic, peppers, oil and cilantro or parsley. Of course, healthful does not necessarily mean low in calories. Olive oil is a fat. At 119 calories, 500 kJ per tablespoon, it should not be eaten with abandon, but can be part of a low or moderate calorie kilojoule diet with a little planning. It is usually recommended added fat should be limited to 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. The remainder of the fat in your diet will come from that naturally present in food recommended for type 2 diabetes. Olive oil and skincare. Olive oil has many uses. Is the cult oil in the Mediterranean diet due to its nutritional properties and many other countries are including it in their daily diets? Not only that, but due to its antioxidant benefits, is being incorporated by many cosmetic companies as a skincare ingredient to their beauty products. It has been used since old times. It was discovered more than 5,000 years ago by the Egyptians, who just to use it for body and hair massage. Other cultures such as the Greeks, Phoenicians and Romans also discovered the beneficial properties of this nutrient. The Romans and the Arabs extended and popularized its use. In those days they just to make soaps and perfumes from olive oil, as well as moisturizers to keep athletes' skin protected. It is composed of essential fats and has many uses as natural medicine. It comes from olive's juice and is rich in oleic acid. Is a great antioxidant with vitamin E, polyphenols and flavonoids. Its antioxidant action helps to prevent several diseases, such as heart-related conditions and some forms of cancer. When shopping around for this oil, always choose extra virgin because it hasn't been refined and conserves all its nutritional values. Don't think that it will make you fatter than other oils, is just the same, but don't use too much if you are watching your weight. Olive oil and skincare uses. 1. Because as an antioxidant it helps to protect the skin from the harmful action of free radicals, delaying aging skin. 2. It is also used as a moisturizer to maintain the skin elastic, hydrated and smooth. Try this mask at home. Mix the oil with an egg yolk and some honey. Put this mixture over your face and leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water. 3. As a tonic for the hair, to add shine and to keep it moisturized. This is a fantastic hair mask. Mix olive oil with 2 eggs. Apply it over the hair and leave it on for 30 minutes. Wash as normal. 4. Good for the hands. Add some sugar to 2 spoons of this oil. Rub your hands with this mixture. Rinse with warm water. 5. Strengthens the nails. Soak your nails in lemon juice and olive oil for 5 minutes. You could leave it overnight, but you must use some gloves. 6. If your mascara is dry, add 1 or 2 drops of oil. 7. It can be used for body massage and can be added to the bath or to your usual skincare product. Olive oil and skincare go hand in hand. When incorporated into your daily beauty routine will help you to get rid of aging skin, improve skin tone and moisturize the skin. What are you waiting for? As you can see, olive oil is full of benefits for the skin and health. Discover effective natural skincare recipes made with olive oil to boost the skin's appearance here. Olive oil skincare. To get more videos like this, hit the like, bell and subscribe button, and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you'd like help putting these cool ideas in your life, get in touch via the link below, or call us on this number. We'd love to help you.